my name is Pam Hurley, and I am the owner and founder of Hurley Write Incorporated.
Most people come to us with one of two issues. Either they have a document quality issue, or they have a time issue, meaning they're taking too long or spending too much time in document creation.
So one of the things that we do that is very different is we focus on strategy.
The real thing that research has proven is that putting words on paper is not what makes writing difficult. It's all the planning, it's the thinking, it's the strategy.
People get stuck on grammar. They think grammar's the problem. Usually not the problem. Usually something deeper.
So we help our clients really understand that sometimes even just changing the sentence, changing the way the paragraph is structured, can really make a difference in helping the person who's reading the document understand exactly what the writer of that document wants them to do.
But I also think compared to a lot of other training organizations, what makes Hurley Write different is that we're experts not only in our subject matter, but we also are experts in the art of how people learn.
Oftentimes people, they don't want to be in a writing workshop. They don't feel like they need it.
We've all been at workshops where it's miserable, it's boring, and we just want it to be done. My workshops aren't like that.
They're not 2-hour sit and get sessions. We are always thinking about how best to engage our learners.
I truly believe that learning at any age should be fun. So I try to make sure that the workshops that I teach are fun experiences where we have conversations, we laugh, we learn together.
People say, I had pretty low expectations when I came into this. I was really dreading it. But it was actually a lot of fun. I learned a lot. It was really interactive, and you made this a great experience.
We actually customize the writing course to you, to your organization, to the writing that you actually do, and to your writers.
We have strategies, we have skills that really can empower your team.
My goal is they can use this stuff the next day.
And you go into a workshop and you can actually see the light bulb go off. And then you check with that client 3 months later and participants are doing better. Well, that is, wow, there's nothing like that.
So give us a call today. We would love to work with you.